दर्यावेळ चलपी बेकायदेशीर कृत्यां थांबयात, कायदेशीर वेवसाय करपी लामाणींक वेठीच धरिनाकात। दर्यावेळांचेर बेकायदेशीर वेवसाय करपी नायजेरियनांचेर कारवाय करात, अशें अखिल गोंय बंजारा समाज संघटनेचे फुडारी गणेश लमाणी हांणी सांगलां। गोंयांत 2 लाख लमाणी समाजाचो लोक आसा। जर सरकारान कारवाय थांबयली ना जाल्यार रस्त्यार देंवतले अशी शिटकावणी बंजारा समाजान दिल्या। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
On the beaches, जे कितें न्यूसन्स क्रिएट करता ते लमाणीच आसा. What we are trying to tell from our community is everybody who is there on the beaches who is doing the trade is not a lamani. Or if we don't deny the fact that our people are there, but our demand is that wherever the crime is there, punish them. तांकां जावन कोण मस्ती करता, कोण इल्लीगल क्रायम करता, तांकां तुमी पनिश करा न्ही. We don't have any objection regarding that. But labeling the entire community, it has really hurt the sentiments of entire Goa. If there is crime, any punish the crime. Okay, don't single out one particular community on the beaches. आमचे फक्त आमचेच community काम करतात ते. Have you identified every time any illegal thing happens, Laman is thrown out. Every time we are targeted by that. And if he is passing any statement.
No, my question to you is:
yes.
Is it out of ignorance or is there some intention behind it?
See, I don't know that.
We don't know.
We are not against anybody. What we also want to peacefully stay in Goa. आमकांय जगपाक जाय हांगा. तुवें विचारलें की आमी कितें करतले जर ताणें माफी मागली ना. We'll come on the streets. एक पीसफुल आमी कितें सगळे आमचे धंदो कितलो आसा ते बंद करून आमी स्ट्रायक करतले. Every part of Goa, wherever our people are working, we will stop our this.
अशें सांगपाचे येता पळय स्टेटमेंट काडलेले की गोंयान आसता ते बंजारा समाजाचे लमाणी सगळे ते बीच घाण कोत्ता आनी इलिगल एक्टिविटीज कोत्ता म्हणून. आय डोंट थिंक दॅट इज लमाणी